Recently, I had the opportunity to create a certificate, a sort of proof of entitlement for a gold membership for a customer. Now, I will say, I did create one myself in the Pages app on my iPad using a certificate template, and that went well. But then my daughter also said she'd create me one using the Canva app on my iPad. Well, I, of course, chose to use hers. I used the one my daughter created, but either way, I want to show you something very interesting that we didn't really look at in the Photos app. I have saved the Canva project as an image to my photo library so that I can easily email it to the customer and what have you. I'm already in the Photos app, so let's locate that photo.
Date range, all photos, adjust vertical photo, date, April 19th, time, 8:07 p.m. More content available, and illustration with text and images on it, certificate of entitlement. April 20th.
Of course, praise God, VoiceOver is going to do just an excellent job of reading the text anyway. But I want to show you. Open this up.
Back button.
Swipe to the right past all the
Share button.
stuff we're used to.
Edit, info, delete, more, spatial scene, photo chooser, detect text, button.
Now notice what you just heard. Detect text. And once that button is selected with a double tap,
Selected, detect text.
I can now swipe to the left and actually move through the text.
Copy all button.
First of all, there's a copy all button, which means we can copy all of this text. But keep going.
Detected text may be found in your welcome email. Thank you for allowing TTJ Tax Services to be the only tech you'll ever need.
Again.
This certificate entitles you to a 24-month TTJ Gold membership. For the details.
Now, I've even tested this. You even have the rotor with your text selection options. It seems once you select the text, there's not really an edit option in the rotor, but you can double tap and hold. So it's a little bit wonky because sometimes I find I didn't quite select what I thought I did. But the copy all button works just fantastically because I'd imagine...
Maybe copy all button. Photo.
We did that. Now I'm going to go back over here and I'm going to notice it. It automatically deselected the detected text, but
selected detect text. Back button.
We can do that manually, and I can go into messages just for fun, and I can go to a conversation I'm having here with Premier Cliff, double tap in the edit field, touch the keyboard on the screen. I'm swiping to the left of the letter Q, just keep swiping left.
Cap I paste button, paste alert. Messages would like to paste from photos. Do you want to allow this? Don't allow paste. Certificate of messages. Message. Text field is editing. Certificate of entitlement. April 20th, 2026. This certificate entitles you to a...
Oh, look at that. I mean, isn't that awesome? Praise God. Now, you can use lookup for a lot of things with this. This is detected text, but then there's the lookup feature. If you were to take a picture of a phone number, perhaps a web address, and other things like that, there will be additional information that kind of falls into that lookup category, the way I understand it as well. And this is different from the visual intelligence feature that we have on our iPhones. This is just visual lookup, and really this allows us to work with this text. We can, again, the text selection kind of worked, but it was a little bit wonky, but this was perfect. Copy all, praise God. And then, I could bring that into a note, a Pages document, a Safari address bar, whatever I needed or wanted at the time, and I could really get anything I wanted. So this is detected text in an image. All right, my friends, that's going to do it for this short little demo. God bless you, and we'll be back very soon.